Well, it doesn't look like Autumn's too happy. Oh, there's a smile. Y'all stay down.
Stay down right now. Don't ever get on the trampoline. Jump, Susie. I'm a transformer. And it's time. I'm not going to time. I'm Optimus. And my name's Sam. My name's Sam.
Sam? Who's Sam?
I am.
You're Sam? And Optimus Prime?
I'm Megatron.
And Megatron.
And I'm Optimus Prime. I'm Optimus Prime.
You can get all your jeans all wet, girl. Might want to stand up.
Do you stand up?
Yeah, you might want to stand up and get your jeans all wet. It's going to be cold. See? Jeans wet. Ew.
Don't ever hunt. Boom. Boom. Don't ever get up. Don't. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't you want to come up here and jump with me?
There's going to be a lot too much jumping if I go up there.
You gotta come up here. My name's Sam.
Your name's Sam?
I'm coming.
And Optimus Prime is coming to get you.
Need help? Optimus Prime is not bad.
Oh, then who's the bad guy?
Bill. Megatron is.
Okay, Megatron's coming to get you, Sam.
No, I'm not Megatron. I'm Optimus Prime.
Okay, you're the good guy. Okay.